Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to use your Dasher Direct card with Apple? Here's how to set it up in just a few steps. First, on your phone, open the Wallet app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new card. Choose debit or credit card to enter your Dasher Direct virtual card details manually or use your camera to scan it. Follow the prompts to verify your card. You might receive a verification code by text or email. Enter the code to complete setup. Once verified, your Dasher Direct card is ready to use with Apple Pay. Just tap on your phone at checkout anywhere contactless payments are accepted. And that's it. If you have successfully added your Dasher Direct card to Apple Pay, like and follow for more simple tech tips.